morning. Just got this print off the bed. I'm still facing some issues. I've got my MKS Gen L version 1.0 tmc2100 with, just can see the extruders config 1 to ground for spread cycle. The Z motors are probably about 0.9 volts, the X probably about the same because I cranked that up a bit. The Y is 0.8, about anyway. What I'm having problem with this top and bottom layers, I'm not sure how they'll come out in this, but let me show you the back of the screen. So you can see a huge amount of craters in that. That was the bottom layer. The top layer on here, I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me get the torch. Try that. Yeah, you can see it's a bit lumpy. It's not as bad as before, but it's still shitty. And I've got that on both sides. So there's something going wrong there. On the bottom, it's not as bad as the other piece, but it's still not great. Let me get the torch again. Let me see. Can we see that? I'm not sure. Yeah, I can just see a bit in the bottom left corner, but it's not too bad, but still, I've had much better. I just can't figure out what's going on. I'm using similar settings as I used before, but I mean, I raised the bed temperature from 60 to 70. That seemed to help a little bit, but only in one print, and then it kind of went back to what it was, so I don't think that's the problem. Maybe I have to crank up the voltage more, I'm not sure, on the drivers. Yeah, I mean, the lower layers it drags over the infill when it starts that, but as soon as it's done that, it's not so bad. And let's see if I've got any other. What I'm finding as well is, I don't think you can see that very well, by the lower layers there's some inconsistencies. It seems to be on the lower layers, even though I'm printing the lower layers slower, but I'm also printing them 0.25 height rather than 3.0 it was before. Yeah, I just want to get better bottom layers and top layers really. I mean, I'm not too concerned about the size, but that might be something related to the problem, but you know. Well, I hope someone can give me some advice on this.